Alright, so I have this 2007 BMW E60 5 Series that has a faded start-stop button. Luckily, you can buy just the cover, making it cheap and easy to replace. At the making of this video, I got the new button cover on eBay for under $7. This one was from a United States stock, so the shipping was fast. You can also buy ones directly from China for a bit cheaper, but you will have to wait longer to get it. As well as black, you can also get a replacement button cover in red or blue, which is pretty neat, but I just wanted to keep my 5 Series looking stock. In the package, along with the button cover, it also came with a very small flathead screwdriver. Changing this on an E60 5 Series is very quick and easy, but it will be a different process on other BMW models, which may require you to remove more trim parts. To get started, I'll use a plastic trim tool to carefully lift off the chrome trim ring around the edges. It should pop off without much trouble. Next, I'll use the included flathead to carefully lift up the 4 tabs around the button cover while slightly pulling on it with a fingernail until it pops off. Then I'll line up and slide the new one on until it clicks into place. Line up the chrome trim ring so the tab is at the top and it just clicks into place as well. And we're all done. It looks so much better and still lights up like the old one did. It's also a lot more shiny than the original button cover. Anyways, I hope you found this quick video helpful, and thanks for watching.